Hey, it's Dr. Hannah with this week's Hot Topic. Today I'm going to talk to you about the difference between food sensitivities and food allergies. So basically the big difference between a food allergy and a sensitivity is just how your body responds. So when you have a food allergy, your immune system causes a major reaction and it can be a huge problem. But if you have a food sensitivity or an intolerance, the reaction is more triggered by your digestive system and it's not necessarily a whole body system. So symptoms of food intolerance can include like gas, bloating, diarrhea, constipation, cramping, and nausea. So all things that are not super life-threatening, but they're just more annoying. And symptoms of food allergy include more hives, swelling, itching, anaphylaxis, and dizziness. So those are major health concerns and emergencies that you need to address. Now, food sensitivities and intolerance are more common than food allergies, which is a good thing. And food triggers an intolerance in your digestive tract. So this is where your body can't properly break down something, and then your body reacts to the food that you're super insensitive. So again, it's more in your digestive system. Now, you might be sensitive or intolerant to foods for a few reasons. So a couple of these reasons could include not having the right enzymes you need to digest a certain food. So that's why digestive enzymes can be super important and super helpful. You might have reactions to food additives or preservatives, just like sulfites or MSG, even artificial coloring. A lot of people have food sensitivities specifically to like a red dye. You could have pharmacological factors, so sensitivities to canned beans or certain chemicals. So like some people, they just can't handle chocolate or coffee or anything like that. You had sensitivities to sugars that are naturally found in certain foods like onions, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, certain fruits, those type of things. And symptoms of food sensitivity, again, vary. So the symptoms just depends on the food intolerance, and they're all digestive related. So like I said before, it's the gas, the bloating, the diarrhea, constipation, cramping. It's not anything that's a full body reaction. So if you think you have a food allergy versus a food sensitivity, just kind of pay attention to what your symptoms are. Now, food allergies, your immune system is your body's, it's how it's going to react to it. So your body sees this food as an invader. So it just treats it like it's a bacteria, a fungus, a flu, a cold virus, or anything like that. So if you have a food allergy, when your immune system identifies the protein in what you eat as an invader, that's when your body reacts and it tries to produce antibodies and it tries to fight it off. So these symptoms, like I said before, are more like skin reactions like hives, swelling, itching, specifically more in your throat. Your face can get really red. You can have that anaphylaxis, which includes difficulty breathing, wheezing, dizziness, and if it's bad enough, you can actually die. So, and you do have some digestive symptoms, but that's, again, more related to the food allergies. Now, there are 8 foods that account for about 90% of the allergic reaction, which are milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, peanuts, tree nuts, wheat, and soybeans. So if you have a food allergy, it is super important to make sure that you have that EpiPen with you. And sometimes people don't even realize or know that they have a food allergy until they've had a major symptom like their throat swelling shut or anything like that. So that is the big difference between food sensitivities and food allergies. And in a couple, days, couple weeks, depending on my results, I actually have a video of what it looks like so you can get an at-home food sensitivity kit. So you may not necessarily have allergies, but it still can affect your body. So I have recorded, I'll probably put that link after I get all this, the video done and I get my results back. So that way you guys can see what an at-home food sensitivity test and what it looks like and how it's super easy. And then you can change the way that you eat certain foods so your body doesn't have to react negatively to foods that you may be super sensitive to, but you're not allergic to, but it can still affect your body. So that's all I have for you guys this week. I will see you next time.